Next we are going with this second PUC physics important 3 marks question. So I was unable to make a PPT due to some problem. So we'll go with the PDF. So I can choose black color. Yeah, it will be second PUC physics 3 marks important question. So we'll go step by step. See, I have kept a lesson wise important questions. So it took lot of effort for typing and making this. So we'll start with first lesson. See, this and all I covered in the videos which I uploaded earlier. So I'll go a little fast so that I can cover the back lesson which I didn't cover. Properties of field lengths. See, I told now for 6 marks, for 3 marks you should write 6 points. You should learn how much points? You should learn 8 so that you can write 6. So if you learn here, no, 2 marks, you don't need to again go to these topics. In physics, no, what appear for 3 marks, same questions appear for the 2 marks in similar cases, but not in every lesson, but some lesson. Properties of field length, property of charge. You should learn how much points? 8 points. In this both lesson, no, you should learn 8 points. Electric field line notation. That also I told plus, 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 minus, minus, minus. See, I can minus, minus, then plus minus. This also I told you in that first lesson. If you did not see, please go see that video. Coulomb's law and its vector form. Coulomb's law and its vector form. So these three questions for 3 marks from the first lesson. So we'll move to the second lesson, that is electric potential and capacitance. So electric potential energy due to a system of charges. This is very important. See, this lesson video I did not do, so I'll cover here. Potential energy often dipole. Parallel placed capacitors. See, expression of capacitors. Parallel placed capacitor. PPC is nothing but parallelly placed capacitor. Relationship between electric potential and electric field. Energy stored in a capacitor. See, according to me, if you want to ask which and all are important, because it has large 3 marks, no, I would say this is important, this is important, then first one, but this two is also important, but first you learn this 3, then you go with these 2. See, if they did not ask this 3, they ask this 2. See, this and all what I am giving here, no, it is and all are important. So next we'll go with current electricity. This lessons I already made a video, so we'll see Ohm's law and its limitation. I already made it. So what is Ohm's law? Carries 1 marks, right? Its limitation carries another 2 marks. What is drift velocity? Derivation of drift velocity. What is mobility? Derivation. What is mobility? Carries 1 marks. Its derivation carries how much marks? 2 marks. What is mobility carry and derivation carries 2 marks. Condition for Wheatstone bridge, balancing condition, P by Q is equals to R by S, which you learnt already in 5 marks, which you learnt in 5 marks. This you already learnt in series and parallel derivation for resistance. See, I did not mention here, it is not for the, it is for resistance. See, what is the resistance? Please don't get this is a resistor. Cell I explained even in 5 marks video, you can go see that, or else even in current electricity I explained what is cell. Moving charge and magnetism. So moving charge and magnetism, no, cyclotron. What is cyclotron? Motion in a magnet, Ampere circular law. Ampere circuit law. See, this and all you have to learn. I cannot say a conversion of galvanometer to voltmeter or ammeter. See, I can say they asked many times, repeated. See, this they repeated in previous year. Then this two they repeated conversion of galvanometer to voltmeter or numerical, and sometimes they ask even numerical based on this. If they do not ask derivation, no, they'll ask numerical based on this. See, all are important. I'm saying all, but I'm saying these two are repeated. Now, see, I'm stressing these two are repeated. But whatever I'm giving, it is very important. See, it took a very hard time to type all this and make a video. So please go through all the question whichever I am giving, so that you can score 90 plus. Then magnetism and matter. This lesson also I covered already. So definition of Dix declaration and Gauss law. See, what is dip carries 1 mark. See, I already explained what is declaration, what is Gauss law. Also carries. See, about diamagnetic, paramagnetic, detailed video I did. Detailed video. DV means detailed video I have did. Check the physics playlist. I have done a detailed video about magnetism and matter. Please check the physics playlist.